morning. So I wanted to go live tonight and do a little unboxing for a gift that I bought for myself, which is one of my favorite things to wear, which are hats. So I'm wearing a brand called GiGi PiP. GiGi PiP is a very popular brand. They make exclusive hats. The material is felt. It's a great material. It's a wide brim. It is great for actually any time of the year, particularly the fall and winter. And this color that I'm wearing, it's more like a cognac color, which, oh my God, it's so beautiful because it can go with anything. However, GiGi PiP, the particular brand color, is a, this color is cinnamon. So I not only got this color, but I also have another color, and I'll show you shortly. Inside of my hat, it says, "Here's to a woman who wears many hats." I thought that was such a great slogan, so motivating. I still have the tag on it, but this is gonna go so perfectly with a coat that I bought. I bought a long trench, particularly for this hat. Oh my gosh, I just love my hats, but this is beautiful and it's so sexy. I'm so excited. Okay, so moving along, I'm gonna place this one here. Okay, and my other hat that I have is this one. Oh my gosh. And of course, we all like our off-white or stone-colored hats. Look at that. Look at the beauty of that. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. I have to fix that. My head has an indentation in it. But this is the off-white. Oh, how did that happen? Oh wow, I'm gonna have to. Had a little indentation there that I had to work out. I was concerned about it, but I like this hat because you could wear it. I got this hat also in a larger size, because again, you never know what type of hairstyle I may choose to wear. But most importantly, I like it because I can set it up on my head any way that I choose. And I feel like I have a big head, so I like my hats to be a little roomy so I can manipulate the look. So basically, this brim, this is a large brim hat. Not the largest out there, but it is a large brim. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And this is also felt. And the inside of this hat has the GiGi PiP name tag. And it also says, "Here's to a woman who wears many hats." So it has a nice motivating slogan inside of it too. So, and again, like if I was to wear my hair like this in a ponytail and I had to remove my hat, it's roomy enough where I wouldn't mess my hair up. So I like that also, because if I wear my hair back in a ponytail, I love for my hair to be really neat. So there you have it. I just wanted to give you a little, I guess, unboxing, if you will, on the hats. And they are really nice hats. Really nice, very personal. And again, I got mine in an extra large. And of course, I do have jackets and coats to match, you know, just to bring out that extra style. But I'm excited. But if you're interested, please go to GiGi PiP and get you a hat. If you're a hat girl, I'm a hat girl. I love them. Women with confidence rock hats. Okay, so thank you all. Goodbye.